Welcome. Our next lesson is angles and pairs of angles. That is lesson number 4. You know, when two rays are joined together, we get an angle. Okay. If I have drawn angle here, already I have drawn angle ABC. If you see, B is the vertex, ray BA and ray BC are called what? Arms. These are arms. And B is what? Vertex. Okay. So name the angle, you know. Angle means you have to draw the angle. And name of the angle ABC. Or you can write angle CBA. Okay. Either you can write angle ABC or angle CBA. Now name the name of its vertex. When two arms are joined together with a common point, that is known as the vertex. Here point B is the vertex. Okay, vertex means when two arms are joined together with a common point, that is called a vertex. Now name of its arms, you can write arm or side BA, arm BA and arm BC. Okay, these are the arms. Okay, so or side BA, side BC also you can write. Okay. Name the points marked on its arms. What is the points marked on its arm? If you will see point A, point B. B is the vertex. It is a vertex. And next arm it is point C. Okay. Just I recalled what you have learnt in 6th standard. So name of the angle you know very well, angle ABC or angle CBA. Either you can 3 letter, single letter, angle B you can write. Okay, single letter if you are using. Now interior and exterior of an angle. Interior already you know, the inside portion of an angle it is called interior. Exterior means outside, the points which are lying outside the angle, that is arms outside, that is called points in the exterior. And which are lying on the angles, they are called as the points on the arms of the angle or on the angles. Let us now see points in the interior of the angle. Can you see this green color? They are inside the angle, that is they are in the interior portion of an angle. So you can write point M, point N, point T, point O. Next question, it is asked points in the exterior of an angle. Can you see the pink color? So they are to the exterior part of the angle, part of an angle. So what are the answer? Point G, point D, point S, point E. Okay. Now points on the arms of the angle. Can you see the brown color points? They are on the arms. On means they are, arms means they are lying on the angle. Okay, or they are lying on the arms. So they are point P, point Q and point R. So we have learnt here interior and exterior of points in the interior and exterior of an angle. So interior part, which points lying in the interior parts are called interior points. The points which are lying on the exterior are called exterior points, and points which are lying on the angle or on the arms, they are called points on the arm. Now adjacent angles. Adjacent angles have a one common arm. Can you see angle BMD? They have the common arm in angle BMD, means in angle BMD. Okay, in angle BMQ, here common arm is MQ, and in angle this angle QMD, again MQ is the common. Okay, so adjacent angles have one common arm and the other arms lie opposite. Other arms lie, if this is common, see this is lying upward and this is lying downwards. Okay, or you can say if left hand side or right, opposite. If left then right, if up then down. Okay, so adjacent angles have one common arm and the other arms lies on opposite sides of the common arm. They have a common vertex. Can you see angle BMQ and angle QMD? They have the common vertex, that is point M. Adjacent angles have separate interior. For this angle, this is the interior part, and this angle, this is the interior. Means they have the separate interior parts. So how you can define two angles? Two angles which has a common vertex. Two angles. Can you see angle BMQ and angle QMD? So two angles which have a common vertex. A common vertex and a common arm. Common vertex and common arm. And separate interiors. Can you see here? This is the separate interior and this is the separate, are said to be adjacent angles. So two angles which have a common arm and common vertex and they have the separate interiors, then we can say they are the adjacent angles. So we will solve the practice set 15. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Okay, so we will solve. So here given points in the interior. So points in the interior, what you can see, point N, point R, point C and point X. They are in the interior of the angle. Points in the exterior, can you see green color points? They are in the exterior. So what are the answer? Point P, point U, point Q, point V, point Y. Okay. Points on the arms of the angle. On the arms, which are the points? Can you see the black color points? So they are on the arms. That is point A, point W and point B. Okay. Now next question. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figures below. Okay. So what are the adjacent angles? A pair of angles or two angles which have the common vertex and common arm and whose interiors are separate. They are known as the adjacent angles. Once again, I will just recall what is adjacent angles. A pair of angles which has common vertex and common arm and their interiors are separated. Okay. So we will. So here first we will go. If I'm using different colors, see if I'm using B and has the common arm. Okay. So this and this is alternate pairs of adjacent adjacent pairs of adjacent angles. So I can write angle BNC and angle BNA. Okay, see BNC and BNA, they are what? Pairs of adjacent angles. Okay. Now if I am using this green color, if I am using this as a common arm, then this and this we will get the pair of adjacent angles. Okay, so that we will write angle BNA and angle CNA because they has the common vertex as well as common arm, that is NA here common arm. Okay, now if I am taking blue color, I am showing blue color, it will be visible. Okay, let us see. I am taking this as a common. Okay, so I will get this and this. Okay, because this we will get common arm and vertex is common, that is N. So we can write angle CNA and angle CNB. Okay. So can you see here angle CNA? This means this angle and this angle. Common arm you will get CN. Okay. So here we have come these are the pairs of angle. If you see here in this diagram, next one, here we will get only one pair. Okay, that is angle if PQ is the common arm and Q is the common vertex. Okay, and their interiors are separated. Okay, so angle RQP and angle PQT. Okay, angle RQP and angle PQT. Okay, so this is the only pair we will get here. Now next question it is given, are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. Okay, spelling I have written wrong. So first one we will go. First one it is given angle PMQ and angle RMQ. Okay, so angle PMQ, let us see here, angle PMQ means this angle. Okay, PMQ, and angle RMQ means this. Okay, so we got common MQ, common vertex M is common, and their interior are opposite. Can you see from here also? You can see this is common, interior are opposite. So yes, what you will write following? Yes, it is the pair of adjacent angles. Okay, now if you see second one, it is given angle RMQ and angle SMR. Okay, let us see. I will use different color for showing angle RMQ. So RMQ means this angle, and angle SMR, angle SMR. See, SMR means this. Can you see they don't have separate interiors. First, from seeing here only we will come to know they don't have. So, no. Okay. So, no means what you will write? The pairs are not adjacent because the interiors are not separated. Okay. So, no, they are not adjacent. That's sentence you will write. Now, next it is given. Third one, angle RMS and angle RMT. So, I will show with light green color angle RMS. So, angle RMS means this, and angle RMT. RMT means this. This full. So, they don't have RM till here, sorry. Okay. So, this and this. So, their interiors are not separated here also. So, this is not adjacent pair. You can write not adjacent angles. So, not adjacent angles. Why? Because the interiors are not separated. Okay. Now next question, next is fourth one. Angle SMT and angle RMS. Angle SMT and angle RMS. So we will see different color. I will use orange color. Angle SMT. So angle SMT means this. Angle SMT and angle RMS. RMS. Okay. Now see the orange color. Angle SMT and angle RMS. They have the common arm SM and their common vertex also, common arm also, and their opposite their interiors are separated. So yes, you can write yes, they are adjacent. They are adjacent. They are pair of adjacent angles. Okay, once again I repeat what is adjacent angles. And angles which are having a pair of angles which has common vertex, common arm, and their interiors are separated. So that is called pair of adjacent angles. Here we have completed practice set number 15. Next we will continue in next class. Thank you.